Bang Bang shrimp, or dynamite shrimp as it's sometimes called, is juicy succulent prawns coated in corn flour and deep fried till golden and crispy, and then tossed in a sweet and spicy sauce that is both creamy and flavorful. But will this American favorite appeal to the Indian palate? Watch till the end to find out. Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Folks, the deep frying oil in my house is still out, and that's why we're deep frying again today, and we're making Bang Bang shrimp. Now this dish is apparently Thai by origin because it refers to the sweet chili sauce that you get in Thailand, which is often paired with shrimp. But the dish is actually made in America by two Americans in Florida, so I guess it's an American dish. Anyway, that's been enough jibber jabber. Let's get cooking that Bang Bang shrimp. In a large bowl, I add salt, pepper, paprika, clumped up garlic powder and clumped up onion powder. Mix it up and then add some buttermilk and whisk everything together. Then I add in my shrimp or prawns, whatever you call them in your neck of the woods. These are cleaned and deveined. I add more buttermilk to ensure the prawns are completely covered. I put some cling film on top to make sure the prawns remain submerged in the buttermilk, and I leave it to marinate for 30 minutes. In another bowl, I add some mayonnaise, sweet chili sauce from Thailand. I'm using this one, but you can use any that's available to you. Some sriracha, and I give it all a good mix. Taste it for seasoning, and mine needed a bit more sriracha and a squeeze of lemon juice. One final good mix and our creamy and delicious Bang Bang sauce is ready. I also get some iceberg lettuce and chop that up. I also have some spring onions. I chop only the green part because that's what I want for the garnish. Now to coat the shrimp, I get some corn flour in a bowl. I drop the shrimp in the corn flour, give them a good coating of that corn flour, and then set them on a tray. You can season the corn flour if you like, but I think it's fine like this. Make sure you shake off excess buttermilk from the prawn, drop it in the corn flour, shake off any excess of that corn flour, and then lay them on the tray. This way you can finish coating them and then fry them in batches. Once that's done, let's fry. Get your frying oil nice and hot and then drop those shrimp in. Remember folks, shrimp or prawn, whatever you call them, cook very quickly. Literally they take 2 minutes to cook, and I'm not even kidding. Get those shrimp nice and golden, and once fried, just remove them from the oil. Just look at those amazing golden fried prawns. I mean shrimp, damn it, shrimp. Oh yeah, those look good. Now get your shrimp in a bowl and add as little or as much of that sauce as you want, and then give it all a good toss or a good mix, whichever one you fancy. To serve them, I get a bowl, lay down a bed of lettuce, then my lovely Bang Bang shrimp, and finally finish with the spring onion greens. And there you have it folks, our Bang Bang shrimp is done and ready. Honestly, I'm excited to find out how these taste. Sweet chili sauce is the only chili sauce I like apart from sriracha, so I dive right in, and man, just look at that prawn. I mean shrimp. Well, they're called prawns in India. Anyway, I'm digging in and I'm digging it. Hoo yeah. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Okay, have you ever heard of this dish called Bang Bang shrimp?
No, to be honest.
No, I've only heard of shrimp. I've never heard of the dish Bang Bang shrimp before.
Never.
No, not like that. Just Bang Bang.
Just Bang Bang.
It's really nice, so I can get a crunch, what I definitely like, and I can see it's coated in something, so definitely that is nice. And I like the salad also. The iceberg lettuce definitely is amazing. Definitely, I love it. It's nice.
So it's tasty. It's sweet. I thought it was going to be spicy, and it's nice. But no, I've never had these are tiger shrimps, right?
Yeah.
I've never had tiger shrimps before, and it's actually pretty nice.
It is crispy a bit. I feel the mayo. It's a sweet a bit. So it's a combination of both mayo plus it's a sweet a bit. Overall, it's good. I like it.
I like the texture. It's very crunchy when you first bite it, and then it's very soft, and like the flavor of the prawns, they do come out. Awesome, superb, and enjoyed it.
If you had to rate this dish on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate this dish?
9, definitely.
Probably an 8.
8.5.
I think I would give it a 10. Like hands down, just bang on. I think this is one of the best prawns dishes I've ever had.
Hey guys, since Dipti was so amazed by the honey walnut shrimp on the last episode, I said she has to come and taste Bang Bang shrimp as well. So here she is. Are you ready?
Pig for all your experiments.
You are now part of an elite group of people who come to taste these dishes. So dig in.
Ooh.
Big prawns, no? Mm-hmm. And should be hot, I think.
It's really nice.
Yeah? Can I have one?
It tastes a lot like popcorn shrimp. That's really tasty. Okay, that sauce is absolutely killing it. And how good are these prawns?
Yeah.
Like juicy prawns and absolutely fabulous sauce and like this crispy coating. This is a winner. This is the winner. You can forget about the maple shrimp and everything else.
Honey walnut shrimp.
Nonsense.
Which you should click on the I button and watch the video for any which way.
So good.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Excellent. So Dipti has now given her seal of approval to these prawns. I hope you're going to try to make them at home. And of course, I will see you on the next episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Until then, cheers and keep cooking. And we must also thank all my Patreons as Dipti continues to devour the prawns. All the people who support me on the YouTube channel memberships, thank you all so much. I really appreciate all your support. And if you'd like to become a supporter, the links are below this video in the description box. Take care.